Let's start. The project name is JSON library. A JSON library is used to convert data in JSON type format into model class, and vice versa. This is useful when you access some API that receives and accepts the data in JSON format, and the app stores the data in model classes. Let's see the project structure. In the build.gradle file, we have integrated the JSON library. Here we have the main activity and a model class. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have 3 buttons. JSON to model, model to JSON, array list to and from JSON. And we also have a text view to display the result. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the text view. This is the model to JSON button. This is JSON to the model button. And this is an array list to and from JSON button. Let's see the Java code now. This is the model class with string data in it. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, first, we create an object of the JSON class. When the model to JSON button is clicked, we create a model class object and put some data in it. Then we call the toJSON function of the JSON class. This function converts our model class into JSON format. Then we display this JSON data in the text view. When the JSON to model button is clicked, we call the fromJSON function of the JSON class. Here we pass the JSON data that we had created earlier, along with the model class's name. So this function converts our JSON data into the model class. And then we display it in the text view. When the array list to and from JSON button is clicked, first we create a type token of type list. This is the list of our model class. This type token will tell the JSON library that we are going to convert an array list to JSON and vice versa. Then we create an array list and populate some data in it. Then we call the toJSON function that converts this array list into JSON format. Then we take this JSON data and pass it into the fromJSON function, which converts this JSON data into array list format again. And then we display both these data into the text view. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can use the JSON library to convert JSON data into model class and vice versa in Java Android. Thanks for watching.